I am Binoy Jaydevan and welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Access. In the first video, I presented 12 tips with a simple resume template. In this video, I am going to present another template. And before going to the template, first we can discuss some common mistakes found in the resume or CV. In the world of artificial intelligence technology, any minor mistake in your resume will be easily detected and can lead to rejection. So you should be careful. Now we can pass on to some common mistakes. Look at the headline. 4 options are given. You have to find out the mistakes. Option A is not correct. Letter A need to be replaced by U. Option B, there is mistake. Letter T is doubled. Option C, again misspelled. Letter L is doubled. The last option also not correct. Letter A need to be replaced by U. So the correct spelling for the curriculum vitae is given in the option E. In Latin language, curriculum vitae means course of life, often shortened as CV. Is a multi-page document dealing with more description of educational and professional achievements. Now look at the next slide. Name of the candidate and her degree is given. Seems to be perfect, but the employer able to spot some mistakes in the presentation regarding the position of full stops. She put a full stop after her name. That is purely meaningless. That is to be removed. Then, capital letter A. That is short form indicating name of either father or mother. Then, so you have to put a full stop after the letter A. Then look at her degree. She is a trained postgraduate. MSc stands for Master of Science and B.Ed for Bachelor of Education. So, need to put a full stop after the short form. After M, after SC, after B and after ED need to put full stop. The corrected format is given in this slide. Here in the slide you can see the contact detail of the candidate, name and contact details. In the slide you can see all unwanted details are removed. The columns are aligned correctly in the same level in the makeover, making it very simple and good looking. Now we can pass on to new resume template. Top of the resume, middle part and the bottom. The most important subheads are given in the right side of the page, while less important on left side. Only 2 colors used. Blue color for the subheads. Font used is Helvetica Narrow. Body text Verdana 9-point, black color. Bullet used to present the data. Alignment is left, more readable. Columns are all aligned in the same level using tab sitting and not by using spacebar. No dark shades, bands, gradations, logos, icons, etc. Many templates available in the internet is found to be overusing too much colors, fonts, graphs, tabular columns, etc. Sometimes body text color is made white with a full black color background, thinking that their resume will get easily recognized. Always save the file in PDF format so that employer can see the document in the same layout. If you like this template, you can make over your old resume by using your favorite word processing software. If you are finding it difficult to make this layout, you can follow the template given in the first video. The link is given in the description box. If the content and layout is pleasing without spelling and grammar mistakes, brief, systematic and good looking, no doubt you will get good impression and secure yourself for an interview. If you are careless, the result will be rejection after rejection. If you like the video, please subscribe. See you again in the next video. Thank you.